guys, so what I did is to the blue wire, I attached the old power cable, so I just cut that off. I'm going to use that wire again for some kind of heater. But from here, we're just going to plug that in. And then for this wire, we're going to need to grab 12 volt. So, we're just going to grab 12 volts from that little pole right there. So I'll be right back and I'll just find something that I can do with that. Alright guys, it's been a while, but we finally found something. So the fan is hooked up to the switch right now, so if I press the switch, oh, it feels so good. I thought the switch wasn't working, but it is. It was just a bad connection, but well, it seems like we're all good. I'm kind of stuck into the back because this cord's not very long, but once my phone gets charged, I mean, it's pretty much plug and play. All you have to do is plug in those two connectors and then you just put the lawnmower back together and it should just work. Alright guys, so I know I have to stop filming these videos outside, at least for a while, especially when it's cold, because my phone cannot keep up. My phone would not stop dying last time. And this is going to be part 3, and I mean, I probably could have, jammed everything into part 2, but my phone just cannot keep up, and I'm going to have to make a part 3. So, before, when the camera or my phone just died, I also have my GoPro on my head so I can get some better footage of when I'm driving here, but I already have everything all back together. The battery's been on the charger for a while. It's fully charged, but I know I have everything all back together. But you saw most of it basically at the end of part 2, and the beginning of here. We just kind of finished things up, and I just said that we were just gonna, So all we had to do was put the gas tank back together. Put the battery in, put the steering wheel back on, and the speakers back, and that's really it. The button is now working, and we are going to test it today and go driving. So, that's what we're going to do. Alright guys, so we're switching over to the GoPro right now, just because, so I have the GoPro with my head attachment, so we're going to be getting some pretty cool shots here, but so right here, we're going to start the engine. It's not nearly as cold as it usually is, so that's kind of nice. So we're just going to put that in, and I have the keys right here, and we're going to try and start it. And also, the tire's flat right here, so we're going to have to deal with that as well. So, you know what? We might as well just do that right now. So, I'll air with the tires. Okay, guys, so we have the Airman right here, and, well, we are just going to start filling this tire up right here. Which this tire is just completely flat. So, hopefully, we can get a little bit more pressure in this tire. Alrighty then, so we got the tire all aired up right here. The other one's hard, and this one's pretty hard too. So I think we're good enough for a start. So we got the clutch pressed in, so we're pretty good here. We'll just check the oil here right now, which the oil is pretty slimy. Definitely not the worst I've seen. The transmission's not frozen or anything, because sometimes the little poppy things, they'll... But, it's popping pretty good right now. Okay, we're just going to switch over to my phone for a little bit. So, we're just going to unplug this, which, right here, it says that our battery's fully charged. When this light's green, it's fully charged and that's a solid green. So we're just gonna unplug that. And as you can see right here, when you put this in, now it doesn't do anything. So that's a good sign. But I guess we can do a little start right here. It should start it pretty good since it's not like extremely cold and the battery's been on the charger for a while. So, neutral, power, very good voltage here. And then got the clutch pressed in, and all we should have to do is press this button. So let's do it. Okay then, folks, I hope you guys can hear me, but I'm kind of yelling, so I think you should. So we're going to take it for a little spin. Obviously, you saw it started up just fine, so we got the GoPro on the head, and we're just going to take it for a little drive for, 3 or so minutes. We'll see. Alrighty then, guys. I think we're ready to ride. Got good enough air pressure in the tires, so I think we're ready for a little spin. Voltage right there. Obviously we don't have any starter from the switch anymore. That's good. Let's take off. Alrighty. Uh-oh. not that bad. That was a pretty good run. Not really much else to say. It's working just fine. I'm pretty happy with it. The lawnmower actually started up really nice. Only a couple revolutions and it was right up. Something that I need to repair is these magnets keep on falling off, so probably gonna get some neodymium magnets, which are just ferrite, but it's gonna be the end of this video and the end of this series. I will see you in the next one.